Pratham Book STEM literacy program on StoryWeaver is designed to inculcate skills and mindsets critical to STEM education for learners in grades 1 to 5. Welcome to the self-paced training video series for teachers. This video will cover the rest of the domains in the Pratham Book STEM skills and thinking abilities outcome framework that will help build STEM skills in your students. Skills like inquiry, logical reasoning, categorization, and perseverance. The STEM outcome framework addresses 5 key areas: science process skills, mathematical and computational thinking, engineering design principles, technology skills, and STEM mindset. Let's take a closer look at some of the domains. Mathematical and computational thinking abilities include a variety of math-oriented skills like pattern recognition, where children learn to seek out repeating patterns across a problem that helps them to arrive at a possible conjecture. For instance, students employ pattern recognition to realize that the sum of 2 odd numbers is always even. A storybook like 135 Help engages them while providing multiple opportunities for them to observe mathematical patterns appear. Logical reasoning helps them correlate facts to observations and arrive at reasons why an event takes place. Spatial reasoning is another important mathematical ability that helps children recognize shapes and visualize their movement and combination. It is also the capability to move between 2 and 3 dimensions. The lesson plan on terrain, topography, maps, and basic geography uses the story "Who is on Divya's Map?" to introduce children to the idea of using maps to navigate spaces. It builds cross-curricular skills like spatial understanding, logical reasoning, building physical models, and so on, as children perform activities related to building neighborhood maps and attempting to write and communicate directions based on landmarks they can identify. Abstraction helps children theorize, and decomposition helps children understand new concepts and theories by breaking them down into simpler steps. These are skills inherently required for solving mathematical problems. For instance, in the story "Many Mangoes to Share," 4 children figure out how many mangoes the trees they planted have borne and how these can be equally divided among other children in the village. Finally, algorithmic thinking and parallelization in mathematical operations help children realize the series of sequential steps and subtasks required to achieve an outcome. Technology is another domain in the framework. This includes information sourcing and block-based programming. In these times, knowing how to search for information using digital devices and the internet is an important skill for children in grades 1 to 5. They can be exposed to educational websites where they can learn more about what they are exploring in the classroom. This can also become an integral part of their data collection and research processes for inquiry-based learning. The next area is engineering design principles. These include building physical models and iteration for refinement, both of which are useful in problem solving. While creating a model, the child has hands-on experiences of working on a simulation of a real-world problem. Children can also explore a variety of models, whether charts, paintings, DIY models, toys, etc. Iteration for refinement is an allied skill that allows students to correct and adjust their understanding logically on the basis of trial and error. The final domain is the STEM mindset, perhaps the most important outcome of the STEM learning. STEM mindsets are interdisciplinary and are the foundation for continuous learning. Several characteristics come together to form a STEM mindset, including perseverance, which helps students to learn from their mistakes without giving up. Confidence, which comes from learning new things that are often challenging at first. And collaboration, which helps children to work as a team towards a common outcome. The opportunity to activate these skills is woven into the lesson plan that are part of the program. Here is a recap of the video. Pratham Book's STEM Skills and Outcomes framework has 5 domains, of which we have explored mathematical and computational skills like pattern recognition, logical reasoning, spatial reasoning, abstract thinking, decomposition, algorithms, and parallelization. Technology skills like information sourcing and block-based programming. STEM mindset like perseverance, confidence, and collaboration. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the next video on the other domains of the framework approach and complete the video series to earn a certificate and build joyful STEM classrooms. Let's help children discover STEM, one story at a time.